how you can cancel an order on Shein and get a refund. Now this is really simple, so before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, make sure that you've installed the Shein app on your phone. Now just open it up and also make sure that you've logged in. Now after you've logged in, just make sure that you have already ordered something from your account. And after you've ordered something, just go to your me, that is your profile, it's on the bottom right. And after you go there, you'll see your orders right there. Just go to view all, and there you'll see the list of items that you have uh, ordered. So after you've gone there, just tap on the item that you want to cancel. That is, tap on the order that you want to cancel. Now keep in mind that you'll only be able to cancel the order that has not been shipped yet. If it's already been shipped, you cannot cancel the order. So make sure that you are doing this before your order gets shipped. So go to your order, and after you go to the order, on the bottom right you will see three dots. Click on that, and there you will get the option to cancel your order. Tap on cancel order, and after you tap on cancel order, you will be redirected to uh, getting the refund. So you'll get to select a refund method, which is Shein's wallet or payment account. Now if you have paid with your account, your all your money will get refunded back to that account, or you can just directly get it back, get it on your Shein wallet too. And after you do that, just tap on submit, and after you tap on submit, your money will get refunded and your order will get cancelled. So that is how you cancel an order and get a refund on Shein. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching.